Hello eBirders. In this video we will see how to use your mobile phone for recording bird calls, edit them in your computer and also upload them to eBird. For recording the calls, you will need a sound recording app in your phone. Here are the two apps recommended by the Macaulay Library. For Android you can use RecForge 2. I use this. For iOS you can use Voice Record Pro. Do these settings for best quality recording before you start. For RecForge 2, go to Settings Audio Record. Set the format to WAV and frequency to 48 kHz. Select the channels as mono. Disable AGC. For Voice Record Pro, when you press the Rec button, a new recording dialog will appear. Here, switch to the Advanced tab at the top. Change record format to WAV PCM. Sample rate to 48,000, bit depth to 24 bits and channels to mono. Press the Rec button to begin the recording. Once the settings have been configured, you can select Settings, Recording and Enable Instant Recording so that you can skip the settings and directly record from now onwards. Now go find some birds, record some calls and we will edit them. Always save a copy of your original recording before you start editing. Here I will be using Ocean Audio for editing the files.
So I have dragged and dropped the audio I want to edit into Ocean Audio. For editing, I'm going to do just three things. Clip the start and the end of the file, normalize the amplitude to -3 dB and then save it. Normalizing the volume makes it easier to hear the target sound in a recording and also creates a consistent listening experience across the archive. Don't do any further editing. Don't delete anything even if there is something extraneous is there in between the bird calls. We will have to keep 3 seconds of background audio before and after the bird call. So here I am going to delete the handling noise and some silence before the call to make it 3 seconds. If you don't have 3 seconds, don't worry, just keep as much as possible. Delete this much. This is the announcement which I had made when I recorded the audio to record the species. I'm going to delete that and also some background noise to keep 3 seconds. Select 3 seconds here. Delete. The next is to normalize the amplitude to -3 dB. For that, I'm going to FX, amplitude, normalize, enter -3 dB and apply. Now I'm going to save the file. I usually write the name of the species at the end of the file for my records. Now in eBird, go to the checklist corresponding the time of the recording. Click on Manage Media or Add Media. Select the file which you had created just now. Drag and drop that to the correct species. Here it is the black drongo. Once the file is uploaded, we will add some attributes. Click on the file which is uploaded. I will give it a 4 because it is quite a good recording. I will add some comments. Drongo imitating a cat. It was an adult. There was also a koel calling. I will add that in the additional species. And done. The audio might take some time to get processed. You can come back and check it out later. For uploading a file, you can also click on Add Media, go to the folder where the file is, click on the file, click Open. Once the file is uploaded, you can click Done. You can find more details and guidelines at eBird Help Center. I'll add the link to the description box below. Go ahead, record calls and upload.